Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a text highlight effect in Filmora. So guys, what you need to do first is of course go to Google and type Wondershare Filmora and download their official application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into the profile, but that is not important and necessary at the moment. Now of course, you just need to, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have, as you see, the file option, edit, tools, view, export, and help. But the export option is great because we don't have anything to export at the moment. We also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a text highlight effect in Filmora. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically what we firstly need to do is go and add a sample video. So you'll be adding your video that you want to edit, but I'll be now adding a sample video. After that, you just need to drag it down the video here, and you need to go and find the text option, which is, as you can see guys, we have the media, audio, titles, which is the option that we need. Click on the titles option, and here you just have this subtitle option, which you can go and then type here, go here and just drag it down here. You'll have it pop out immediately. As you can see, you have the app option here. But now, if you want to put some effects, you can of course go and type here text effects, so that you can go and have text effects here. So you can text still here, put it in here, drag it also, and you'll have the effects on your text. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.